So we're back. If you're new here, my name is Niara, and if you're not new, welcome back. I'm gonna be trying out some new Marc Jacobs Beauty hydrating gloss sticks. So I have 3 of these. What's this palette called? Extravagance. This is what she looks like. She's a very pretty, very sparkly gal. So we're gonna have some glitters going on here. I have 2 of these dewy coconut face illuminizers. I have 2 shades in this. Also have a brow pencil from him, which is kind of cool. One end is a pencil, and then the other end is a gel. No wine today, y'all, because I'm really trying to get back on my water. So this is what I got today. And I'm behind. It's about like 2, almost 3 o'clock, and I'm at the 11 a.m. line. So we're gonna start off with these brows. This is what she looks like. She's very pretty, very bouncy feeling. And it says this is a brow powder pencil and a tinted gel. Oh, okay. I've only done like 2 strokes. Right away, girl is good. Like okay, let me just finish. I see why they call it a brow powder pencil, because like she's in pencil form, but like I feel like she definitely gives you coverage and the feel and the look of a powder, but you still get like the precision of having a pencil. Look at this. Look at the little teeny little brush. So cute. Oh, okay. She's a wet one. Okay, that's one brow. Not done, not done. She's good. I like her. And she's very cool. And the only like matte brown we have is this one. So I'm actually gonna use this little Milani eyeshadow. This is in Life Partner. I'm gonna use the brown shade in here just because I want this eye to be really warm. So I'm gonna take this light brown shade. It's called I Have. And I'm going to just use this to kind of help blend out that shade right on the outer edges. Our crease, be good. I'm trying to decide what shade I want to go in. I'm thinking I might go in with Found and the One. Taking a tiny little angled brush here, and the shade The One, I don't know if the camera is picking this up, but like it's not just black. This is like black with like gold bronzy flecks in it. The wing came out really nice, y'all. I wouldn't expect it to be that nice. So our eyes are done. I already went in and put my highlight on and completely forgot about these 2, so we're gonna put some on anyway. This is Moonlit. She's very opaly, very pretty, iridescent. And then this is Sunlit. She's very golden, of the sun girl. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take both of them and mix them together like that. All right, so we have lashes on. Cute. These are by Kiss. Looks so natural. I don't know if they look natural, but they're cute. And they're called Shy. So I just lined my lips with my oldie Jordana Coco Loco. That's been my lip liner forever. All right, so now we're gonna try these. These are called lip gloss sticks. All right, so that's all 3 of them. So obviously I gravitate towards this type of shade, but these 2 are cute too. So I'm gonna go in with this shade on the end here. This is called Coming Out. And this is what they look like. So I thought it was a gloss, like with like a thing in it, like a wand, but it's not. It's a stick. The only thing I don't like about these is like you twist them up, but you can't twist them back down. So it's not like a lip balm where you would twist up how much you want to use and twist it back down. Like So you can't like really twist up that much. She goes on. Super nice and smooth. Yeah, and then I'm gonna go in with a little bit of this pink Kiki. Twist her up right in the middle. The glosses are cute and they're very pretty. My only issue with the glosses is that they don't twist down. That doesn't make sense. If they twist up, they should twist down. Luminizers, like these are nice. I definitely wouldn't say they're must-haves, but out of anything, I would definitely say go pick up the eyeshadow and then go pick up the brow pencil, because those two are boom, bitty, boom, boom. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're not already, make sure you subscribe. Go follow me on Instagram. My name is Niara Alexis on there as well. And I will see you guys next time.